I'm going to quickly scan these 8 FAKRA connections, more specifically FAKRA terminated coaxial assemblies. These are GPS extension cables for an automotive navigation system, and I'm scanning these connectors with the MOHR CT100HF TDR. These connectors are compatible with the SMB connector found in our pin and socket kit, and I've already discharged static and we're working in a controlled environment. CT100 series TDRs don't have a warm-up time and don't require calibration prior to testing. The CT100HF has a 50 picosecond rise time, which is considerably faster than our CT100Bs and other portable cable testers. This rise time allows us to clearly resolve connector level details. Already seeing a few bad ones as I'm scanning through all 8 connectors. As you can see here on the screen, I've got these saved to the tester 1 through 8. Now in CT Viewer, opening our tester and grabbing these traces, let them populate on the screen, matching vertical scale, and then zoom in a bit to our connectors. As I tab through, we can see that 1 and 2 are out of spec, while 3 and 4 are good, 5 and 6 are off, 7 is good, and 8 looks good till you look at the crimp. The lower impedance is due to over-crimping, which can cause additional attenuation. We'll review how this affects performance in the frequency domain in our next video. Be sure to like and subscribe, give us a call or shoot us an email, and we'll see you next time.